Interesting. It's not working. Oh, it is. Huh. I gotta type it. Well, that's annoying. Can't just type it in here. No timers aren't gonna work. All right, all right. We are back at it again, and oh boy, today was a day. I'll tell you, I got next level frustrated at Best Buy. Oof, I almost lost my mind on Geek Squad. Swear it. All right, checking out Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. It is not looking good for Bitcoin. Looks like a bit more downside ahead. Possibly a 1.95% to the downside. Backtesting the $65,850 level. Let's go ahead and check out the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. You know, your stochastic's really low, but all day you've been finding resistance at that 50 simple moving average. So naturally, you think it can continue down. It's kind of annoying to see price action like this because if you were a betting man, you'd be like, hey, we're probably going to go up from here. The wonky thing about all trades right now is the fact that we have that futures expiration on Friday. It's the final Friday of the week and or of the month. Therefore, it's a large expiration. What's going on, man? The Geek Squad don't stick to it. Uh, didn't stick it to you too bad. No, 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 no. They tried. They tried hard. So, yeah, with the Geek Squad today, it was funny going in there because I was like, hey, I think my power supply on my PC is bad. I just need to get it replaced. How long would this take? And the first word out of their mouth was, we would need a membership first, and that's $189. Followed by, then we're gonna take your PC. We'll run a full diagnostic to see if it's that or if it's something else, and then you'll have to pay for not only the part but also the labor. And I was like, what? And they're like, yeah, it'll take 5 days. I was like, 5 days? You're kidding me. 5 days? Nah, I don't believe you. That is ridiculous. I don't believe that one bit. And he was looking at me stone faced. He's like, yeah, bro, that's what it is. That's what it is. So we decided to go. Me and the wife, we were out there together. We bought a power supply. And the funnier part is, kid behind the counter that's ringing us up, he sees the power supply I get, and he's like, oh my gosh, what are you powering with this? And I was like, my gaming PC. Oh, did you build your PC? He's like, yeah. And then I looked at him, I was like, can you imagine your Geek Squad telling me it's going to take 5 days to replace my power supply? And he's like, what? I was like, right? Yeah, makes no sense. I've never replaced a power supply on a PC before, so this was a first time for me. Thank you, YouTube University, because I did that thing in 25 minutes. It took 25 minutes. I was like, you were going to keep the PC for 5 days? And it's a 25-minute job? What? Yeah, that rubbed me the wrong way. And they were going to charge me like $300. It was $89 out the door. Not to mention, we spent an extra $10 simply because we bought some extra extension cables just in case. Those are going back. But I was like, are we serious? It's a Corsair 750 watt power supply. It's it's working. It's doing well. I took the old power supply out. Apparently, I had an 800 watt power supply in the last one, but it pooped out. So, you know what? I don't care. PC's working. All right, rant over. Bitcoin currently looking like it's dropping, even though nothing is showing it should be dropping. Not even on the 15-minute. Nothing showing. Maybe the 5? Okay, you're 5. Giving you a little bit, but yeah, so pretty much they're just selling to sell right now. We do have a demand line currently on the 5-minute that we could be respecting. That's ridiculous. Oh well, won't stop us from making money. Exactly, won't stop us because I fixed it. I am back on the PC. We put the laptop away again, thankfully, so we can get back to our shenanigans. And if you guys send me the deck screener, $5 dono. We're back at it again. Anyways, now Bitcoin looking a little rough, looking a little sparse. Let's get back out to the daily. Let's check out the Bitcoin dominance right now. BTC.D. Going to the Bitcoin dominance, it's going up again. This is not what we want to see. When Bitcoin dominance is going up and Bitcoin's falling, our altcoins get devastated. Absolutely devastated. But here we are. We are finding... So we didn't even backtest. Like, what? I mean, we can argue we backtest the high right here. Not even the downtrend. That's crazy. Still want to see the Bitcoin dominance go down, but we're moseying on up there. Moseying on up. Let's go ahead and check out... Nope, don't want to check out any of that. The heat map. That's what I want. Checking out our heat map on the 24-hour. This is interesting. So 24-hour, you can see absolute mass right here. 41 million. What is this? 32 million, 27 million, 33 million, 20 million. Okay, so there's a lot of liquidity below, but look at the giant liquidity here. $50 million at 68,075, and then if it gets up a little bit, that's another 40 million right there. 30 million. All the liquidity is above. Everyone's really heavy into the shorts. We could possibly get a short squeeze. If the bulls step in, that'd be great. Checking out your weekly. Oh my Lanta. If we get down to 66.5, $97 million in liquidations, that's a problem. There's a lot more supply down here, all the way down to 66.2. That's a problem. Does that heat map cost? No, it does not. No, it does not. And if you'd like the heat map, it's on CoinGlass. I'll just drop this into the chat for you real quick. There you go. If you want this one. But it is free. You get to just look at it. And you also can look at the heat map of other coins here. So that's kind of nice. But it's a lot of Bitcoin. I don't know. It's Bitcoin on different exchanges. That's cool. But we're checking Binance. No problem, Crypto Naughty. No problem. It's out here trying to drop value daily. Don't be afraid to drop... I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. All right, so... $98 million sitting at 66,200, and there's $105 million sitting at 66,500. I'm starting to think price is going to drop down to all of this liquidity down here. That's great. People are going long. They're going heavy long. Maybe that's why we're seeing such weird price action out of Bitcoin right now as it slowly trickles down. Once again, price target I was looking for, that's 65,850. Go back to this, 65,850. Oh, we could hold it. We could hold it, but we'll see. Probably going to get a devastation wick down, and it's going to wreck a lot of people. So now that we have established we are leaning bearish, let's get into some more of the coins. Let's check out Ethereum, how it's doing. It's probably back in its pattern. It is. It is. Trying to hold support right now, sitting at $2,600. On your daily, that is a formal level of support. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 4-hour. Your daily can drop. Your 4-hour looks like it's devastated, but that's the problem. It can continue downward because you're not oversold yet. So be prepared for probably some weird nonsense candle while we're sleeping. I got really mad last night. Got stopped out of my trade with FTM. Off the same nonsense. We're just bleeding out right now because the Bears are taking control. Checking out Dogecoin. Dogecoin looks like it's going to come back for a back test, most likely if Bitcoin does continue down. We are not oversold on the 4 hour. Let's check the daily. Daily, you're coming out of overbought territory. A back test of the 200 simple moving average makes a lot of sense. So I'm going to actually set an alert right here because I would like to know when Dogecoin back tests. If it holds, if it doesn't, I need to know. So we have our alert set. I'm not getting into the trade just yet. I'm just setting an alert. Remember, guys, also, this is the final Friday of the month, which means next week we could have a very explosive week. So don't get shrugged out of the market now. You lasted through all the BS. You just got a little bit more before Moonvember. All right. That's Dogecoin. Let's go ahead and check out BNB before we check out the darling of the crypto space, Solana. Now, this is a problem because now we're starting to look at this more like a rising wedge pattern. And if we look at BNB as a rising wedge pattern, this is going to be real dark real quick because your measured move on this bad boy is gross. So hopefully that does not happen. Hopefully it can get it together. But if this plays out, you could see a test of these lows getting down possibly to $423. That is crazy for Binance token. But on your daily, it does still look like if you can hang out up here long enough, golden cross will happen. Just hopefully this little devastation wick is only a wick. As long as it's just a wick and it clears out all that leverage, we're good. But if it's more, it's going to be gross. All right, let's go ahead and check out Solana real quick. Solana so darn close. Oh, that's so close. I just wanted to kiss the 174. Just kiss it. Come on, give it a little peckaroo. Your 4 hour does want to try and get up there, but if Bitcoin pulls back hard enough, we could see Solana trading back in the range around 157.7. That would be terrible, but we are going to mark that out. So I'm thinking this peak right here, you can see how it was a wick here, and then it was used as support back here. So if we come down and we kiss it, we touch it, we hit that 50 simple, maybe possibly hold it, then I'll see another rally, possibly getting up to that 174. Checking out your 1 hour. It's the 1 hour time frame that's holding us back the most. So 1 hour on Solana does look a little different, but current supply line, we are currently trying to break down from it. Not a good look. Not a good look. So hopefully some bulls can step in, but it's starting to look like we are going to break our supports. I hate breaking supports, but it is what it is. You had a high, you had a lower high, and now you're trending down. So as long as you are being held down by this could be a problem. As long as you're being held down by that, could be a real problem. Alright, so that's Solana. That's the big ones. Let's go ahead and check out some little ones now. Let's go ahead and check out the devastation of StoreJ. Is there more in the tank? Of course there is. Of course. You could still see StoreJ drop another 10% to the downside, which, that's just obnoxious. Absolutely obnoxious. Let's go out to the 1 hour. See if that's, oh my god, it's feasible. It could happen. This could happen. Even if we went with like a fib retracement, because we had the low start here, almost lines up perfectly. Gonna get a little overperformance, more than likely. As long as you have stop loss. But we didn't even hit the 618 after all that falling. Oh my god. That's tough. That's tough for StoreJ. Pretty tough. Oh, the 4 hour really wants to drop. This thing could go even more. You could see StoreJ testing this supply line down here at 37.88. You have a high stochastic, nowhere close to being oversold. It's this MACD that scares the crap out of me. You were trying to put in some positive momentum. Huge red candle. Restarting the dump. Oh my god. That's bad. So 10% downside, I feel like it might be the least of your worries. And if that is the case, let's go ahead and check out the 5. If that is the case, we might be taking some action on this one. I might be shorting it. Let's see. Let's see. We had this level right here. Oh, that actually is a level. Are we serious? On the 5 minute, this mattered? So even if we come up to backtest, we're going to see how it interacts with this level at 55.22. If it interacts with it, what's our percentage back up to that? That's only 1.8%. That's crazy. So, yeah, we'll see if it can break back above that, but you can see how it interacted on the 5 minute. Resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, now resistance. Ugh. That's nasty. That's nasty. But we do like to take advantage. You know what? I'm going to take advantage. I'm going to jump into this now. I'm doing it now. Store J. No. Store J. Yep, we're taking advantage of this wholeheartedly. We're not going to go 30. Wait. I'm shorting it, so it doesn't matter. We're going 15. Well, 15xer. Because noted, we could start catching bids. I don't want to be on the wrong side of this trade, honestly. I really don't want to be. But this thing's going to keep acting like weird nastiness. We might as well just take advantage, right? Alrighty, we got everything in there. So this is the trade I want to be in right now because Store J has looked so very weak. 5 minute is a bit oversold, so I want to see if it's going to break back above this. We're going to have our stop loss around here at 52.64. 52.64. Stop loss. 4. Alrighty. 264. Lock it in. Profit. We're going to play it by the book. Play it by the book. Right there. 4679. 4679. Noted, this is subject to change. I might jump into something different if it looks good. Did you like Chili's the other day? Chili's is dipping a bit right now. I did like it the other day, almost as much as I liked FTM. Let's go ahead and check it. So here we go. We got this set up. We're going to have 2 alerts here. So we hear a beep. We either made money or we lost money. Let's go ahead and check out Chili's. Chili's. So Chili's is taking a nasty dump, and it looks like we are trying to get some form of support. Let's go out to the daily. Daily, you honestly have all the room in the world to fall, so that is something we have to pay attention to. And also remember, yellow lines, they're not strong levels of support and resistance. They're like light levels of support and resistance. So more than likely, we could see Chili's trading all the way back down to 663. More than likely. Let's go down to your lower time frame here. Yeah, your 4 hour is not oversold yet. Your 200 daily moving average is sitting at 679. So it makes all the sense in the world to come straight on down. Maybe we get a bounce, hit it again. Maybe we break out and hit it a third time. The problem with this, we are starting to get away from this. Oh, wait. I'm looking at the wrong consolidation. Here we go. This is the consolidation we look at after that drop. Considering we had a straight drop, consolidate straight down next. So this is the consolidation we got to pay attention to. I mean, it could be some form of wedge, but I feel like we're just about to break bearish out of the wedge, which is not very great. Yeah, it is a wedge. As of this moment, it's a wedge. Maybe we catch a bounce, come down further, catch a bounce, come down further. Maybe we see the break. Maybe we see that wick down to touch, then we go up. I don't know. But it's not looking bullish at this very second, and that's because Bitcoin doesn't look bullish. So keep that in mind with all of your trades. All of your trades. If Bitcoin not bullish, your altcoins will be hyper bearish. It'll be really bad. Yeah, and we can distinctly see a difference in viewership when Bitcoin's going down compared to when Bitcoin's going up. It just kind of is what it is. It's the nature of the game here. Nobody likes to see number go down, but we short things out here. Just like we're doing Storage, which isn't going well at the moment. I think it'll go well later. So let's check out FTM. Let's see what it did to me and Stefan. Yes. Oh my God, we're losing support. This is bad. This is really bad. I marked this out earlier. I was like, oh, maybe that happens. I didn't think it would like kind of happen. This is really bad. Yo, what's up, Rich? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. So I still like FTM. I just like it a lot more when things are going up. Backtesting the 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour. It's cool and all. We have the golden cross. We're getting disrespected. I don't like that. BTC dumping. Yes, BTC is dumping. Started dumping last night. So that's a really big problem for a lot of trade setups. However, we already looked at the heat map. It's looking like the leverage traders are doing this. It is leverage trader driven. So we can get rid of all of that stuff right there. Let's see if we have a supply line to work with. Ugh. This is the part that sucks because your supply line is sitting so low. It is so low all the way down there. So you can't even be like, oh, the supply line will save us. Nah. Nah, brother, nah. New supply line you started putting in was this one right here. And it looks like we're breaking it now. That's not great. Oh, we're not breaking it. Hold on. We have an opportunity coming up. We're going to see how FTM interacts with it. It just... Bitcoin looks bearish. I'm thinking a lot of other things are probably going to get a little bearish. Noted. On the 4 hour, we do have a lot of things showing signs that we should go up. Just because it shows signs that we should doesn't mean we will. Anyways, I'm getting all the alerts today. Wow. But yeah, your 4 hour, it looks ready to go. Looks great. However, you're still not oversold on the 4 hour. Are you oversold on the 1? We went from oversold. We're now going lower. Maybe we're trying to put in a little hidden bullish divergence. Not sure. We do have this great little demand line that could be broken if we're lucky. If we're lucky, that gets broken, but we're going to have to wait and see. Going to have to wait and see. By the way, anybody who's new to the stream or has been here before, if you have any requests, please just drop them in the chat. We're going to get to all of them. I promise. I promise you. Also, for those of you joining in, we got into a trade. We got into Storage on a short, which I don't know if the short's doing well. Short's not doing well yet, but it does look like it's going to be doing well. So you saw we came up. It looks like we're just rolling on over. The 5 minute might have something to say about that, but we're going to have to wait and see. 15 wants to go up too. And the biggest problem with that whole 15, like, you broke your supply line as well. So let's put this back right here. You broke this supply line. Like, you fell below it. You shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. So the longer we stay below the supply line, the more likely we're going to come down here. And we have support sitting right under it. So that was the reason for the trade tonight. That was the reason. Like, you can't go doing that. You can't break supports. You just can't do that. Let's go ahead and check out VeChain right now. VeChain on the daily. VeChain just still trying to do something. You can see how this level is acting as huge resistance for VeChain. But whenever this weird dump is over, we could see VeChain going on a tear to 3214. What was wrong with the PC? It was my power supply. So power supply pooped out on me. So I got a new power supply. replaced it, and now we're live again on the PC. I'm sure the audio sounds way better. This thing's moving way smoother than the laptop. I love this. I love this whole thing. I love this. Yeah, PC problems are never fun. They are never fun. Now, if I can figure out how to get my Stream Deck to work on my YouTube chat, that will be a game changer for these streams. They're just not working, which is it's terrible. I looked at Sui the other day. Heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. Look at this nonsense. So remember the other day when I posted in Discord going 30x short on Sui? Yeah, this stupid wick right here stopped me out. I mean, you cleared all of your highs just to then die. Like, what the... Sui? Those people. I swear. But on your daily, you can see how you are dragging your butt on the ground with stochastic. You can see how relative strength sitting in neutral territory. You can still see negative momentum. This thing still can drop. I'm expecting price, if we do break this level, very fast, dropping down to 179 and then 155. 155 has been my target for a hot minute. I'm thinking we're going to get down there. I just don't know when. Noted, out of this rising, broadening wedge, we do have a bit of a measured move, which is scary. Sui could continue its descent. Something like this, 29 more percent, all the way down, most likely finding support at 124. So Sui it needs to hold support at 191. Needs to hold this support. If it cannot hold the support, it's gonna be pretty hard for Sui for the coming weeks. Gonna be pretty darn hard for it. What is the 4 hour telling us? 4 hour says it wants a bounce. Maybe it gets it. You did not formally backtest this 2075. You basically just fell straight out of this symmetrical triangle, which, I mean, gives you a reason to go up, I guess. So maybe we see a little bit of buying pressure on Sui. We get that nice little lower high going. But we do have a demand line as well. Damn it, not what I wanted. I wanted this one. We do have a demand line as well. And this is shaping up to be a nice trade setup. If we can get a sharp ascent, like basically just pop straight up here to 207.47, find our resistance there, that would be a really good opportunity to jump into a trade. But on the 1 hour, you have a high stochastic. This thing might drop out tonight while we're sleeping, just fall straight on down here, and then maybe we wake up on a back test. Who knows? Who knows? I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know what these traders want to do. Just a possibility. But this rounding top here, not great. It does look like the buying momentum might have subsided for Sui. However, still dangerous times trying to short at a support. Very dangerous times. Shorting at a resistance, pretty nice. Oh, storage agent doesn't want to drop for me. Drop for me. It's probably that 5 minute. Let's see if we're resetting quick. We are. We're resetting fast. That is a problem. Also, based off this descent, we do have another trend line to work with. That's cool. That's cool. So, if we don't break out of this and backtest it, I mean, going down, baby. Going down. That stochastic's resetting really fast while going nowhere. That sucks. Let's check out Theta. Okay, Theta sitting in no man's land. This is not great. Not a great spot to be for Theta, considering on the last drop, you never tested the 82-cent level. Never tested it. Let's go out to the weekly. Yeah, that's a real level. Right here. Real level. You broke out. You never tested it. Never tested it. Still not testing it. right, let's get rid of some of these lines here. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get out of here. Get on out of here. All right. I just want a clearer look. These lines aren't right. Damn it. They're not right. So looking left, we got this here. Oh, maybe that's why I had that level, because of that candle high close. Maybe that's what it was. But it's a nice pocket of liquidity right here. There we go. Yeah, why didn't we test that? We tested that. Oh, maybe that's why. Well, that makes a little more sense why it didn't get down there. Okay, alright. I feel a little better about where it's sitting now. I feel a little better. Hopefully you guys do also. Then we got this. Oh, we're holding a lot of support on theta. What the hell? Are we like... Oh, we're on the cusp of markup phase? Wow. I mean, in reality, I would probably go up here. But no, we're going to give that little level of respect that it deserves. Because it even held support around there. And then that. Take it back. Take it back. We're a little bit lower. Right there. Makes all the sense in the world now. Okay, alright. It's like a little pocket there. We'll give it the respect it deserves. All right, so theta swing traders, you're going to be looking to get all the way up here to $3.22. For the lower time frame traders, you are hoping to God that you hold this level at 127. If you do not, coming straight down to 97.3. That's too bad. Let's go out to the daily. Daily looks like you want to come down. Uh-oh. This is in a downtrend. Consolidation. I say consolidation because you have a high and a lower high. So this thing could continue to the downside. Very well could continue to the downside. That just because of that lower high. This is technically a symmetrical triangle, so it could go either way, but you are hugging this level of support. You are hugging it. You keep hitting it. The more often you hit it, the weaker it can get. And since I'm bearish on Bitcoin, let me hear it loud, hear it proud. I am bearish on everything. Okay, all right. Oh boy, excuse me. Pardon me. Actually, where are my blessings? I need my blessings. Right there. So, this wick here is showing you've been trying to fall out this whole time. Maybe. Oh, and with this very little movement, your stochastic got very high. You're in neutral territory. This thing could be falling. Thanks, Adam. Appreciate it. This thing could be falling. And where we'd be looking for it to go down right away would be this 105.3. 105.3. Most likely testing 97.3. That's gross. I don't like that. I don't like looking at bearish things. Ew, that's 17% downside. Brother, ew. Yeah, that's not ideal. Checking out the 4-hour. So yeah, your 4-hour, you're not oversold yet. You do have a very low stochastic. Maybe we can catch some bids. Not really sure. We do have this level of resistance that we are under right now. That's not fun. That's not fun. It's this right here. You can see you came up, you fell, came above it, tried to hold, fell, you fell. You get the point. You get the point. So if we get a 4-hour move and we come back up to this 131.9 and we cannot hold above it, yeah, 17% downside to a 23% downside is possible. You just got in a 25x long on Caspa at 137. A small pump would be great. You want to check out Caspa? Okay. We'll check out some CAS. Yeah, theta. Ugh, gross. Grody. Caspa. Are you sure? I don't know if that was a great spot to get into a long. You are in this downtrend that you currently are back testing with a high stochastic on the 4-hour. We are still looking to back test our supply line. Max, what is up? Are we rich yet? Not yet. We're shorting now. We're in the middle of shorting. Your 1 hour is trying to give you hope. Your 1 hour is trying to give you a lot of hope here on Caspa. If you can break out and get that back test, remember the back test. You need the back test. Not testing resistance. A back test of former resistance as support. That's what you're looking for there, Rich. I do wish you the best of luck on this trade, though. Maraket. Is it okay if I call you Mark? Maraketch 7. Hello, how are you? Can I call you Mark? I've never read that name before. I'm sorry that I butchered it completely. My bad. 15-minute, lot left to be desired. Marrakech, city in Morocco. I had no idea. I'm not very worldly, you know. I'm very, very United States. Very plain Jane. Very vanilla. Yeah, I don't know about going long on this one, Rich. I'm a little nervous for your trade. A little nervous. You're coming out of oversold territory. That's nice on the 15-minute. Ouch. It's like we're going up. No, we're not. We're going up. Nope. $137. You got in at the top. Oh, you caught the breakout. That's what it was. And you pulled back. Yikes. Good luck on your long. I wish you the best. That might have been a really good chance because you had a high and a lower high to get into a short. That was your sign. Now we're going to be looking for some form of bullish something. I'm in the camp that is going down. It's going down. Sorry to relay the bad news that I feel it might do something. Remember, it's just a feeling. I don't have a crystal ball. This thing did retake not only the 50, but the 100 moving averages on the 4-hour. No, I just got in the dip 5 minutes ago. Oh, got it. Oh, because it was in oversold territory? Is that what it is? Man, I'm late. How's Soul looking? Soul looks... It looks fine. It just looks like it's about to pull back, which is annoying. Ew. Cass looks terrible. Yeah, it's just annoying. It looks like it's going to pull back because Bitcoin kind of looks like it's going to pull back on us. We're down 0.5% on Bitcoin. Marjax has a very different price. Weird. No, different exchanges will have different prices. That's why coin arbitrage is a thing. So if you have lower volume on one exchange, price can fluctuate a lot. A lot. All right, Solana's trying to catch a bounce here. Very nice. Love to see that. Your 5-minute stochastic's getting real high real fast. You're up $25. Let's go, Rich. Let's go, Rich. Handle it. I'm going to laugh. Rich is like, I put a short in. Oh, no. Oh, no. 15-minute time frame for Solana. It does look like it wants to do something. However, you did lose all of your moving averages. All of them. All three of them. The 50, the 100, the 200, your sister, all of it. I'll take 50 and close it. Nice. Hey, chip away. $50 at a time. That's what I like to hear. Chip away, baby. Winning is winning. That is a stake right there. $50? Honestly, I don't know why some people get mad over $50. Oh, all I got was $50. I'm like, bro, that's food. You're good. So Solana, if it can't hold this level, I'm expecting it to come down to this 159 level. If you cannot hold this level. However, if we can finally get some resolution here, go test the 174. Come on, Solanians. Get it up there. That would be great. That would be great. But we're just sitting here waiting, watching, hoping, praying. Plenty of room to the downside on the 1 hour. You are not oversold. Stochastic's low, don't get me wrong, but you can see back here. The stochastic was low right here. You had 2 hours of going up before it came back down. You had 1 hour going up, came back down. 3 came back down. And it all equated to a lower high than your previous high. You don't like to see all that. You just don't. It doesn't give you the feel goods, you know? So I'm looking for support sitting somewhere around 159. We lose 159, 149 is next level. We'll see which one holds. We shall see. Let's get a peek in on the StoreJ trade real quick. I think we might actually be back in profit. Nope, we're still down 1%. What a shame. Down 1% right now. Oh, 15x leverage short. No biggie. No big deal. The target is 8.72% downside, getting that fib retracement level. It's just doing bad after this crazy rejection from the other night. It's just doing bad. It's down bad, bro. And I'm out here trying to capitalize on it. Now, one chart I thought looked absolutely gorgeous was TRB, Teller coin. So TRB on the daily. This thing looks great. I love the consolidation pattern. I love that it's a symmetrical triangle. I wish Bitcoin didn't look so bearish. I really do wish. Because I was like, hey, 12% upside, go test that. Now I'm worried we're going to break support and stay below it. And we could be trading all the way back down to $44.80 again. I mean, even if it's just a random death wick, it could happen. So I'm actually very hopeful that prices don't fall too much tonight, and hopefully we can start seeing a rally tomorrow. Big hopes on that one. Big hopes. I know we got earnings calls from 3M tomorrow and a few other companies, but I think Thursday is the UPS earnings, where we get to basically hear, hey, economies around the world, they're not doing great. Hey. But I saw an article on Yahoo Finance today that was talking about world economy is looking for a soft landing, and I was like, what? We're talking about world economy in Yahoo Finance. Sure, we can do that. Okay. Things I like about Teller is the fact that you have these tight moving averages. Can we take a look at Assemble AI? Thanks, Adam. Yeah, we can do that. No problem. But yeah, I like these tight moving averages. The just thing I dislike is if we get weakness in the market, we were downtrending, we could just continue this downtrend. And then it would set up for, like, you know, we tested it once, tested twice, tested 3 times. We're getting a 4th confirmation. Go long, swing for the fences. That's all I'm saying. Because back here, you fell once, you tested it again, you shot up. You fell once, go to test it again. I'm just ballparking here. We could shoot straight up. Possibilities are there. We'll see what the traders do. Assemble AI. ASM. I need you to start typing ASM. It's a lot easier. All right, ASM still being held down. Still being held down by the demand line. Has not gotten up there to test it again, but it's one of the few tokens that's in the green right now. It's up 5.96%. Your daily stochastic looks great. You're not overbought anymore. You only tested this level of support once. I'm still kind of expecting it to come down there to test it one more time. Give us that confirmation. Let us know. That is support, baby. And your 4 hours indicating that's more than likely going to happen. More than likely going to happen. You have this stochastic that shot straight up off very little movement, and it could just decide to roll over and touch. So I'm still looking for that 3232 level to hit before getting out in and or breakout back test, then we're good. But you're just sitting in no man's land for assemble. Sitting in no man's land. It's bouncing around in this area. We're here. We're waiting. We're watching. BRICS to utilize cryptocurrency is a big news. I didn't even hear about this. What? BRICS wants... I thought BRICS was going to only use gold. They want to use crypto? Dang. Talk about a futuristic currency. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. That's huge news. Let's check out STG. I haven't looked at STG Stargate in a very long time. Oof. We're falling. We've fallen. Okay, Stargate, you're sitting at all-time lows. All-time lows, hoping to not capitulate. It's not looking good for the not capitulate argument. It's not looking good. You're like, please, just don't fall no more. Please. Maybe we test this 2736 again. Maybe, possibly. If we can get that, maybe we get a little bullish convergence or something. That would be nice. That would be nice. But, it does look like sell pressure is starting to fall off, though. That's good. What's my BTC topping this cycle? When you start getting out of the market. I don't know where it'll top out. I can only guess. I think around 400,000 is cool, because Citibank mentioned that. I don't know. I'll be looking for the bearish divergences. If we below 65k, we are in trouble. So Max, that's a funny thing. I saw max pain level is at 64,500 for this futures contract on Friday. So I'm guessing we're gonna just wick on down there, liquidate a bunch of people, and then we get to shoot up next week. That's my thoughts. We'll see. But yeah, Rex, I'm not all the way sure. Maybe we get to 120k. Maybe we get to 400k. Maybe we get to 500k. I don't know. But all I do know is I will be looking for things like what happened last bull cycle, where we saw the hidden bearish divergence on the weekly, and that will be my indication of getting out. Do I have a plan, though? Like, around what months will you start selling it all? Don't get left bag holding? Oh, so I'll... Okay, got it? Yeah, I'll show you what I mean by that whole... So we're on the weekly right here. We're on the weekly. You saw it peak out over here. So on the relative strength, you see this peak right here. You then got a much higher peak, and the relative strength was falling. So when you see this relative strength falling while you're getting these higher highs, that second peak on the weekly, that's going to definitely be... you're a fortune teller. Crypto naughty. What do you mean? I'm no fortune teller. I don't have a crypto ball. Or a crystal ball. Crypto ball. God, could you imagine? I will short the shit out of BTC at the top. Ride it into the bear. Exactly. But you can see right here. You see relative strength falling. You see the price continuing up. This was your sign to get out. Crypto ball coined here, right? And then the worst part is, after this peak, you came over here to this peak, you still are below previous strength. So even if you get this rally, you're just like, oh, Yeah, we're still going down. That was considered a dead cat bounce on the weekly, which is wild, but that's what it was considered. And then we went straight into the bear market. So either way, I see something like this, I'm getting out. I start seeing it a nice little bottoming pattern, and since we saw it last time, we just got overextended. We back tested our 50, and then we started running again. So now I'm expecting something like that to happen again. Something like that. Because also, thanks to this previous bear market, we saw the first time ever a bearish cross on the weekly. When you see that bearish cross, I know we're trending up. So buy, buy, buy. Just keep on buying, baby. ApeCoin on smaller time frame. Pun intended. Yep, pun intended. Love it. Cody, you want to check out ApeCoin? All right, I got you. Well, yeah, currently right now for Bitcoin, you can see right here, we peaked out. You see that? We peaked out at the high. Strength came down. Now it looks like we're getting ready for that next run. If this peak on this next run ends up lower than this peak, I'm going to be selling some shit. I'm going to be selling a lot of shit. But I'll be watching. I'll be waiting. It all depends on the indicators. Outside of that, I have no idea. I got no clue. What do I mean bearish cross? Oh, so Jose, what I mean is on the weekly, when you're 50 simple, this green line here crosses below the 200 simple. That is a bearish cross because you're crossing down. A golden cross is when you're crossing up. Golden cross means good. Death cross means bad. What is that indicator? Which indicator? This one down here? The relative strength? Or are you talking about these lines up here, which are the 50, 100, and 200 simple moving averages? The one in the middle? Yeah, that's my relative strength. The RSI. This is the stochastic RSI on top. My MACD is at the bottom. Yeah, this weekly on Bitcoin looks so bullish. So bullish. So I'm not too worried about how low we go this week. I think next week is where we really start to just explode to the upside. I think it's really going to explode to the upside. All right, we're checking out ApeCoin next on a low time frame. Let's go to it. We're down 3%, finding a lot of resistance off that demand line. Going out to the daily, we are still overbought. RSI on 6th weekly. I don't know what you're talking about. Sorry, I lost my train of thought with that. I don't know. RSI on the weekly. Yeah, the RSI on the weekly, it looks just fine. I'm just waiting for it to show any form of bearish divergence, hidden bearish divergence, anything like that. And then I'm selling everything a lot. I'm just selling indiscriminately, selling it off. All right, 4 hour on ApeCoin actually looks really good. It might go up for a lower high or something. We'll see. Checking it out on the 1 hour. 1 hour looks like you're falling. You're gonna fall again, most likely. I shorted last night. I need it to break down to 1. It looks like it's going to. So Cody, it actually does look like you're going to get that drop. As long as you stay below your trend line, you're good. But it does look like you're going to do that. You can see it right there. I mean, you also saw the hidden bearish divergence. So checking out your RSI, you have your peak out here. You peaked right there. You set a slightly higher high right there. And then strength was just falling off of a cliff. Now you're waiting for it to set up some form of bullish convergence, hidden bullish divergence, something like that. But it does look like you're going to come down again, but you might have a bit of consolidation before it happens. So that consolidation will allow the relative strength to pop up, and that will, so I guess maybe anytime you're testing 135.7 or even this demand line up here at 139.6 might be opportunities to add to a short. And then, You'd be looking for it to get all the way down to that $1.06. Might be a dumb question. I don't know how many cycles you've been through, but it's kind of my first. I have a current 55K portfolio full of gaming, layer 1s, AI, and 12K worth of memes. Yeah, that sounds like a first cycle.
I didn't want to put those go there because I was afraid that my appearance or whatever was gonna break it again. So I didn't want to go.
You're funny, hilarious. You think I can 10x my portfolio? Do you think get really wild? Yeah, it should be able to 10x. If you have a bunch of like layer 1s alone, they all should 10x. All of them, all of them. If you're in Solana, if you're in FTM, if you're in AVAX, if you're any layer 1s do extremely well, extremely well. So yeah, you should be able to see that. Sorry, I got mail. I'm checking it out real quick. Cool. It's bills. Best type of mail, right? I hate bills. Anyways. Yeah, so ApeCoin does look like it could fall, but we're still waiting on more taxes. No, actually, it's not taxes. Not this time. Oh, ApeCoin on the 15 looks terrible. One candle got your stochastic that high. Oh, that looks terrible. So to get the party started, you're looking for a drop down to 120. Get that party started. Get down there, bro. So I should expect kind of a guaranteed 5x base case, high case 10-20x. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Unless something detrimental happens, yeah, it should be fine. Yeah, so the bull run, you'll end up noticing, like right now it's super slow. It is super slow. If you just look at the price action from last bull run, you'll realize like no, right now has been extremely slow. Retail is non-existent. They are non-existent. Oh yeah, Cody. Hopefully this answered you. Hopefully, I'm in the same camp as you. You should be getting somewhere into this range down here between 1 and 99.3. I just don't know how long it'll take to get there. But let's go ahead and take a look at AVAX. AVAX out of the layer 1s, it's probably the least sexy. Least sexy. Let's bring it back to last bull run. What did it do? From this trading range going up. So you're talking about trying to get a 10x. From this trading range up to here, that was a 19x. 19x. Where you here 4 years ago? Like, I'm curious to see how nutty altcoins can get, because so far it's been boring as fuck 3 years. Yeah, we're coming out of the bear market. That's normal. Yes, I was in the last bull market. I was. I joined during the, not like just before the last bull market. I joined during the bear market. I learned how to trade in the bear market. When it's a bull market, trading is so much easier. So much easier. It's ridiculous. It's so much easier because everything plays out. Everything to the upside goes. There's no fake outs. There's no nut. It just goes. And you're like, what is this? It's insane. All right. After you got this 19x, you pulled back down to your former highs as a support. And then AVAX went up another 12x. 12x. I want you to notice that. So it's like, oh, could I get a 10x? You're not worried about a 10x. 10x is nothing. You're trying to get a 100x. That's the goal. You want to find the 100x's. 10x, that's an altcoin. That's normal. All they have to do is work on their project and market a little bit. You're fine. You'll get the 10x. It's those 100x's. That's what you're looking for. Those hundies. Oh, that's the winner. I never looked at this. Hold on. Yeah, this demand line here. Oh, we've been broken out. I don't care. All right. Hey, it's my second fave after Soul. Yeah, I love AVAX. Honestly, I love it even more now that they have their game on their platform. Their new, so I posted that inside of Discord. That new game, on the Edge or whatever, they're turning it into a layer 1, and it's gonna have its own utility token. It's gonna operate like V-Bucks on Fortnite. I'm super excited for that project. Yes, Rex, I have a very, very big goal. I want to get to 10 million on this bull run, and I'm going to do everything I can to get there. Dude, that game should help a lot. It should. It really should. Alright, so notice, we went up once, we came down, we're consolidating. What's going to happen next for this token? Because remember, your consolidation was all the way down here. We're basically double in price. Last time, your lowest consolidation was at $8. Right now, lowest consolidation, $17. You think this range for AVAX is a nice bid for a spot bag? NFA, of course. Yeah, never financial advice. I do think it's a good place to accumulate. I do, because you can see on the daily you're uptrending. You had a high, higher high. You just put in 2 lower highs, though. You're in this really tight consolidation range. Now you're underneath a level of support. That part kind of sucks. You have this local level of support you're hoping to hold. So I would say we're probably most likely going to come back down and test the supply line one more time. If we don't hold that supply line, you're just dropping down to $21. So for a spot bag, losing $6, that's not really a big deal. Especially when you're considering we might have the same type of movement as back here. Or, even better, we might see it jump up a 5 or 10x from its previous all-time high. First time here, recommended adjust your mic settings. Watch this video. It helped me. OBS Studio, best audio settings for stream and recording. Ultimate guide. I'll check it out.
Sorry, your little tent thingy still put up. It's right by the little table.
Okay.
So just don't run into it when you're walking that way. My bed's blown up.
I'll have my light on.
Just letting you know.
Okay. Thank you. Your audio sounds perfect to me. He's probably just marketing something. I don't know. Bro, if Casper hit $2 this run, oh my god, man, I'll be so happy. It's first bull run, smart contracts coming, tier 1 exchanges. So, yeah, layer 1, I mean, AVAX, this was its first bull run right here. This is a normal bull run for a good token. Rich, audio is fine. I mean, I know my audio is way better than last night. I know it's way better than that. Listening with my speakers, not headphones. Got it. Either way, I'll check it out. Always worth tuning things up a little bit. Why not? What is my biggest bag? Ooh, that's a good question, Rex. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know because I don't even look at it. I DCA into whatever I see a good time, and I'd never look at it until I'm ready to sell it. So I don't know. I have a good idea. Bitcoin's probably my biggest because it didn't get absolutely devastated last bull run, and that's where I shuffle all of my altcoins. I push them straight into Bitcoin as soon as they hit like really high numbers. So I'm guessing Bitcoin's my biggest, but I don't know. I don't know. Also, keep in mind, guys, everyone after your first bull run going into your bear market, you understand the point of holding Bitcoin. You get it. When Bitcoin drops like 50% or something, you're going to see your altcoins get devastated. Absolutely devastated. Audio is very low compared to the other videos on YouTube. Thank you. Oh, no problem. I'll check it out, man. I will check it out. I don't know what the other YouTube videos are doing. I know if I turn up my mic, like, even if I turn it up to here, this will probably start getting a bunch of people like, oh my god, what are you doing yelling in my ears? But, yeah. Turning that back down. Sorry. Thirsty, what's up? LTK, what's your opinion on the upcoming election in the States? Do you think either outcome will have a larger effect in the markets over the next year? Honestly, I don't think it's going to matter that much. It's going to be initial reaction, and past that, no thought at all. Really liking all your thought processes. Thanks, Trade. Appreciate you. What was target on StoreJ? Are you talking about my short? I'm looking for 4679. 4679. Mana on daily shows a gap on the chart. 65 cents. I bet it goes there. There's a gap on it on the mana chart? We're gonna have to look at that. Oh wait, what exchange is that in? Yeah, we're looking for this 8.72% drop for StoreJ. I don't know if it's gonna happen. I just feel like it is. Another coin, bomb. Oh, Book of Meme had a gap on the chart. I said I would close it, and it did. Nice. Buy DeFi. Wait, hold on. I know buy DeFi. By the way, welcome in to the Discord. TTTT. Welcome in. Buy DeFi. Yeah, that is the exchange. I might have an announcement coming out with Buy DeFi. Sometime soon. I might. I just might. Oh! My Streamlabs timer worked. Wow, all the timers worked. What the hell? Who would have thought? I didn't know my timers were going to work. That's awesome. Rich is my first Bulf run, but because of the ETF sent it so high earlier, I learned that alts get destroyed and the importance of routing to Bitcoin. Glad I learned before the real run. Yeah, because honestly, Bitcoin, it steals the show. It is absolutely insane how Bitcoin will do that. During the peak of the bull run, will you sell all your alts into BTC or USDC and cash out and buy back later in the bear? Yes. Yes, I will. There are no altcoins that go unbeaten. They get so devastated. I like the exchange, but I'm looking for another exchange with more meme coins. Check out the link that popped up in chat right there for weeks. Check that out. There's tons. Alright, I need to start checking out some charts. So let's go ahead and check out Mana, and then we're going to check out... I don't know what the other one was. Book of Meme. So Mana and then Book of Meme. DD. Okay. Mana. Mana is being held down right now. That's too bad. We have a absolutely fantastic level of... Wait, is it using this lower one? No, it's not. Okay, alright. We're going to cycle out to the 4 hour. Oh, yeah, this thing's jumping bad. You're going to find some support, hopefully. 31.39. Hopefully. But yeah, you're talking about gaps. The only reason you find gaps in some of these smaller exchanges, it's just because there's a lack of liquidity on that exchange. If you end up looking at it on Binance, you're going to see all the liquidity, no gaps. You can get all the info. It's fantastic. What memes are you super bullish on? None. None. They can 20x. Yeah, none. I don't know. They have a lot to spot buy, but like you like trading perpetual. Okay, Cody, take a little time. Check out the exchange. Go check out the exchange. Ape, you entered a wait. Entered Ape 2x about an hour ago. Closed trade earlier. Stop loss was that. Targets 116, 107. Trade. I think you can go a little bit lower. 106 is what I'm aiming at, but nice trade. Nice trade. Everything does look like it's going to go down. It does really look like it's going to go down, and I hate saying it, but it really does. I mean, even Mana here, it's like, fantastic. We broke support. We held. It's probably going to come down here. 30, 43. If we can hold this new supply line, great. If not, we got another one below us. Both of which are in play. Kind of sucks because this breakout is a really big deal. 55% upside. Really big deal for this breakout for Mana, but we got a little more consolidation. I'll create an account, thanks. No problem. Check it out. Enjoy. No VPN, no KYC. Fantastic deposit bonuses as well as trading bonuses. So you get bonuses for trading, get bonuses for maintaining a certain amount in your account. You also get the bonus for the deposit. So they are out here just trying to help people out. What's a good short right now? Oof. I'm in Storj. I think Storj is still at a pretty decent spot for entry, unless it started moving. But it started moving. Never mind. It depends on your leverage. But noted, I'm in this one for a really short time. I'm on a 15x short, looking for 8.72% downside. We just got super bearish here at 52.25. So we could either come down to either this level of support sitting currently at 45.49, or we could even go lower and get all the way down here to 37.98. Yeah, I took my CAS long up $25. Nice. Entered big time long 2x on the 15-minute bounce. 17 stop loss. Okay. Market. I know what big time is. You closed it, Rich. Nice. So currently the Storj trade, we're up 6% right now. We're still alive. Let's go ahead and check out big time real quick. Let's dive on into it. Let's get all the info and stuff. So the way I like to look at a bunch of coins, trade institution. I do like to look at coins going from like high to low time frame. So where's my big time? There we are. Big time. Looks like we're trying to break out right now, but let's just start it out on the daily. So daily, I'm noticing we're already putting in our hidden bearish divergence. You can see your high here, and then you can see your second high, lower relative strength. If we start pulling down here, a pretty sizable pullback could be happening, which we never back tested this downtrend right here. So that naturally would be where I think we're going to come back down to. We have a supply line at the moment. I do want to mark that out just for a reference. Just for my reference. Get rid of this, get rid of that, get rid of all that. So you can see this downtrend that was formed here. We have this uptrend. We're going to mark it green. Make it bigger, make it sexy, make sure we can see it. We had this tiny little pattern here. Tiny little pattern that we broke completely out of. Never got a formal back test. Maybe we got it on a lower time frame. I don't look at the 3 hour ever. Don't know what we're doing. So even on the 4 hour, we never touched it. That bothers me. You can also see on the 4 hour, we're putting in a little hidden bearish divergence as well based off these two peaks. But looks like it's trying its best to rally off of this. This is actually quite interesting. Going out for the 1 hour. Now this 1 hour stochastic. This is where I get confused because you are in overbought territory. That worries me. And you have hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Hidden bearish divergence on the 1 hour as well. But it does look like the stochastic's trying to push you up. Let's go down to your 15. 15 minute looking to rally. That's really interesting to me. And it does look like you're trying to break out at the moment. You did have this right here. So if you can break above this short-term downtrend, this could be a very good longing opportunity. And you'd be looking to possibly get up to this 22,107 level if you can get that breakout. Let's go ahead and drop down to the 5 minute. Your 5 minute is leaving a lot left to be desired. Lot left to be desired. I don't like how high the stochastic got off of 2 5-minute candles, which then makes me think we could pull back. So I'm interested to see how this one's going to pan out. But once again, if Bitcoin starts rallying, okay, yeah, game on. We going, baby. But if Bitcoin decides to pull back a little bit, I think big time's going to get dragged down with it. So yeah, you opened a 2x long on the 15 minute. I can see why you opened that long on the 15 minute. I really can. That 15 looks great. I don't like the 5. Let's check the 7. The 7 looks good too. 7 looks great. I really hope it doesn't get disrespected right here. I really hope. But for me personally, I would love to see the back test. Wow, very nice analyst. Very impressed. We're getting the breakout. Let's go, baby. No problem, trade. Oh, yeah, you're getting the movement. You're getting some movement. You're getting the movement. Oh, don't you stop short. If that happens, don't you dare stop short. Just get on up there, little doggy. So yeah, we'll check in on this in a bit, but it looks like Asia wants to push this bad boy up. Looking nice. Let's go big time. Let's go. Bro, when will Bitcoin stop trolling us by going up and right back down? So frustrating. I want up only action. This market sucks right now. I think that's kind of the point. You know, they're going to try and bore you out of this market. Try and get you out. Like a seasoned weatherman. Smash the like, subbed with notifications. Nice work. Trade, I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the sub. You're amazing. You're awesome. All of you guys, truly thank you for being here. Thanks for chatting. Thanks for the request. Actually, you're not really requesting. I'm just jumping into anything you talk about. So I do appreciate you. Where did I learn TA? First person I learned from was from the crypto jeb trading thing. Second place I learned from was actually I couldn't say I actually learned from him. I just watched him a lot. Was Mitch Ray. Then I started watching Tom Crown. Then, you know, it just turned into like a smorgasbord of things. I bought a book. And then I started spending a lot of time in these markets. Painstaking amount of time in these markets. So what I'm doing here is the accumulation of 6 years, I believe. I think it's like 6 years I've been in these markets. It's been a journey. It's been a journey. I wish Bitcoin would tank before so I can keep accumulating. Thirsty has the right idea. Thirsty's thirsty for them gains. Right idea right there. Oh boy. But yeah, looking like that 15 minute did take over. Now, you're getting high on your stochastic. We are waiting for Mitch Ray lived kind of close to me when you were in Alabama. Oh, that's awesome. Chuck, BTC, USDT. That's a lot. Alright, Chuck, you're looking for, what is this, 100K? Let's do it. Let's get there. Everyone buy. Bitcoin's starting to rally. It's making me a little worried about my short. So, getting a little insecure about my short if Bitcoin rallies. What do I think about INJ? Let's go to that before I forget. When it gets there, you're going to be mad? I would love for Bitcoin to get to 100K tomorrow. That would be great. It would just completely devastate my shorts. Let's check out INJ. Where? INJ. Okay. Alrighty, INJ in the house. INJ. Let's see here. Alright, INJ, you lost that recent supply line. That's too bad. You got a short lower high. That's also too bad. You're trying to backtest something. Chuck Ballers Timer NFT, you'd be happy with like a little sad face, like, oh, we got there. So we had this beautiful downtrend. We broke out. We have a formal backtest. We had a confirmation of the backtest. You really don't see that too often. Now on your daily, you're starting to reset your stochastic. I like that. Thing I really dislike is this candle right here. I don't like that. I really hate that. It is an indication downside is coming. I don't enjoy that. You lost your trend on the relative strength as well. That is not enjoyable. You have two high wicks here, and one is lower than the other. That could be better. Could be better. So we're going to just mark that out because that's actually very important information. We need it. Let's go ahead and check out this supply line. We got two supply lines, which feels a little awkward, but we do. We got that one there, and we got this one right here. So two separate supply lines. If we break this one and this support, high possibility we drop straight down here. So hopefully we don't do that. Feel like it's been a good bidding range, these levels. I can see why, because you're just kind of going sideways in between two levels. I can see why you say it's a good bidding range. If you fall below 1863, you probably just want to wait for it to get back down to 14 something before you jump back in. So even if I was trading spot, I'd have a stop loss here just because I don't like losing money. It makes me really mad. It actually makes me really mad. I get like rage. Check it out, your 4 hour. 4 hours looking a lot better on your stochastic and your relative strength. You are almost getting into that oversold territory, which you kind of like to see on a more significant time frame because you're more likely to get a bounce from that. Let's go out to the 1 hour. Your 1 hour is basically saying you're probably going to come down here. High stochastic, room to fall, just started the negative momentum, but it does look like negative momentum's falling, so hopefully it doesn't. It just... I don't trust being in trades overnight unless it's to the downside. I really don't, because for some reason, some way, it falls while you're sleeping. You're like, what? Why? It's annoying, but it happens. 15, your 15's trying to catch some bounces. Looks like you're trying to put in a little bit of hidden bullish divergence. The hidden bullish divergence looks good. Looks like more of a gamble right now. It is a gamble. You don't take trades if you're not on a support or at a resistance. Just don't take the trade. Wait till you get to a support or a resistance. Plain and simple. If you're breaking through, awesome. If not, too bad. Get out. don't even make the trade. Just don't do it. There's no point. There's plenty of upside because let me tell you, you end up breaking this level up here, you still have the opportunity to jump up another 18%. Plenty of opportunity. You test down here and you hold it. If you're going to hold it, you can see what price does. You hit it, you go straight up. You come down, you hit it, you bounce a little bit, you go straight back up. So you're just going to expect you could do that again. It's a 40% rise if price can come back down to support. So you want the support. You want it. Damn, got wrecked on What? Is it going up right now? Did I get wrecked? I'm in on this trade, man. Yep, got totally wrecked on Store J. Actually, I think I'm at like a break even right now. Not wrecked. I'm currently it's close to a break even. It's close. We're down 2%. No big deal. No big deal. But we could be finding some bids. If we're breaking out of this tiny little downtrend here, we still have more resistance here and here. So I'm not all hope is lost just yet. We're going to find out. We'll see. But maybe we actually rally all night. Maybe Asia's just firing up a fresh new batch of money printing goodness. We don't know. We don't know. But it does look like it's trying to break out. Oh no, it's falling again. Ah. Terrible. Alright. So would I recommend a book? I need to look up what the book is again. But yeah, there's a full book on trading and trading theory. And it's an interesting read. So I do recommend reading a book on trading. And besides, it's always good to further your education. Always good to further that education. BTC with small pump. Yeah, BTC does a tiny little pump. The entire market reacts. And we're going to just throw it out there. It looks like big time was our indicator of the pump. Look at it go. Look at this. Look at that. It's just going, baby. Straight up. Now, I'd be looking for that back test. That 5-minute stochastic is getting kind of high. Also, you're starting to see the hidden bearish divergence on the 5-minute. Yikes. Yikes, man. But the 15-minute has legs. The 15-minute has legs. Mina, please. Got you, Cody. We're going to check out some Mina. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin real fast. Chuck Ballers, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate the hell out of you, bro. This is what's happening with Bitcoin. We're getting the breakout, baby. Which, yeah. Did I do it hard copy or on Audible? I did it on Audible. There's no way I'm reading that thing with my hands. There's no way I'm doing that. I like audiobooks simply because I can listen to them while driving. That's where I engulf the vast majority of all information. It's while I'm driving. Or when I'm in the throne room, aka the office, aka the one room where I can lock the door and my daughter can't get in. The bathroom. It's a great place. It's a fantastic place. It's like a time to... What just happened? What was that? What was that? Oh my god! Big time! Just got disrespected. What the hell was that? Oh man. Got tons of credits on Audible. Nice. Nice. Alright, let's go to Mina before I waste too much time for Cody. I got you, bro. Mina. Lost support. You lost support. That's not a lot. Oh, God. This daily candle. That's not a good candle. They said not today, bro. They literally said not today. Like, oh my God. You know, we're going to check it on that Storage A. Storage A is doing fine. Short is alive. But no, that candle, this right here, this is a thing of nightmares. Right here. You almost got a bearish hammer. It's so close. You almost got a bearish hammer. Damn. It's a shooting star reversal. Like that, no. You don't want that. And it's hidden bearish divergence. Ugh. Alright, so Mina, 50.84. Let's see if we hold. 50.84. That's my target. Oh my God. No, this is actually a really bad candle. You don't want to see that. 9.7% downside is possible. The only thing that's going to save this thing's life is Bitcoin rally. A Bitcoin rally will save this thing's life. If Bitcoin don't rally, you ain't getting saved, brother. It kind of sucks too, because it looks like you should get a bounce on the 4 hour, but you're not oversold yet. This thing could keep going. Not the hammer! Exactly, runner. Not the hammer. No. It's like the anti-black hammer. It's the red hammer. Scamwick? Crypto Nutty. I mean, sure, you can claim it's a scamwick, but it was just a false breakout. That's all it is. You tried one time, you tried the second time, you had the volume, and traders were like, who do you think you are? And they sold it off. And I think the distribution is going to be disgusting. You even have hidden bearish divergence on the 4 hour from back here to here. Are we serious? There's just bearish divergence everywhere on this thing. So yeah, I would be looking for Mina to drop about a 9.72%, maybe around this level or on your supply line. Could be good opportunities of getting in, but until you break that 62 and you hold it as support, I don't trust Mina for upside at all right now. I do not trust it. I don't like it. It's that daily. It's that daily. Very significant time frame. You can't have the shooting star. You can't do that. It's not allowed. Not in this chart. Kick them out. Kick them out. It's not allowed. Kick them out. Yeah, that's kind of a shame. Looks like the markets are starting to pull back again. What is Bitcoin doing to us? What is Bitcoin doing? It's just playing around. It's just playing around. Let's go out to the 5 minute. Let's see. Oh. 5 minute not looking great. But it's not looking bad. I don't understand. This tiny little movement caused big time to... Oh my god! Ouch. You're back below resistance for big time. False breakout. That is terrible. Looks like the 4 hour took over. Looks like the 4 hour took over. That, no fun. Stopped out on big time. Bro, it's okay. It happens. It happens. That was annoying. You had your confirmed breakout. You had your confirmed back test. And now get pooped on. See you at 15.541. But if I was trading this, I'm not touching big time for a day. Just a whole day. It's like, no cuddles for you. You screwed me. You guys realize this was almost a 9% swing. It was up 1.5%. Now it's negative 7.1. That is crazy. And you can see it on the 5 minute. That's the worst part. The 5 minute did that. Massive bearish engulfing candle of all this price action. Somebody was just waiting to dump it. They were just waiting. Those jerks. Can't even believe them. Runner, 63K. Here we go. I don't know if we're going to get to 63K, Runner. I guess max pain for the futures contracts for Bitcoin is sitting at 64,500. So, we'll see. We'll see how low we get. Always blame Bitcoin. It's literally Bitcoin's fault. It's literally Bitcoin's fault. Because Bitcoin did this. What? Yeah, max pain for Bitcoin. It's sitting down there at 64.5. So we could get all the way down there. Maybe we get a little lower because of long liquidations, but it's just a gosh darn shame. Gosh darn shame. Options on Bytecoin? Tough. Welcome in. Hopefully you're having a great day. I've never heard of Bytecoin. Let's check it out. Byte. USDT. Byte. Another chart. This thing's trading nowhere. It's only on Poloniex. And this is what your chart looks like? What is it? Nobody's trading this. You're down 14%. Big time trying to get a recovery. Nice, nice. Let's go out to the weekly. Am I on the right coin, Tough? Is this what you're looking for? It's the Byte Dog. What is that? Oh, darn. I can't find it. That sucks. Have I heard of coin on ETH network? Cody, I've never heard of that. Never heard of it. My soul take profit at 163. Naughty. Can I look that one up? Oh, sorry guys. If you guys want me to jump into Dex Screener, I hate to say it, but it's a $5 dono. The link is jumping into chat here and there. Yeah. Outside of that, I am not going to Dex Screener. It is a rough time in that place, and I don't like it. So, I guess I don't have to look at Byte. Cody, I've not heard of meme AI coin on Ethereum. I have not heard of that. It is a coin Elon mentioned about 7 months ago. Byte dog coin? Wow, never heard of it. Check out Solana, I guess. Guess we're going back into the S's, which I'm okay with because then I can keep an eye on my trade. Store J's doing good. Let's go. Where is Sol? There you are. So Sol, you're talking about take profits 163. Are you shorting it? Why would you stop at 163? If this thing's gonna fall, it's gonna go further than 163. 159 is the target if it falls. $15 says you're going up. I don't know what's going to happen with Solana. Because I'm guessing your 1 hour says you're going down. You're not oversold. You're sitting in neutral territory. You have a low stochastic. Solana, it has a chance to hang on tight. It has a chance. I don't know. I don't know, honestly. Let's go out to a more significant time frame. Yeah, you're 4 hours, even giving them weird mixed messages too. You're almost in oversold territory with your stochastic, but your relative strength, you have nothing but downside available to you. You know what we can do, which I don't usually use this thing, but we can do? Let's check this out. Look at that. You're below one of your volume nodes right now. You are likely to go down here and test the high volume node down here. So, the opportunity based off the VRVP looking like it could come down anywhere around this yellow line down to 155.69. Somewhere in that range. Wild times in the market. Wild times. We're just swinging around, sloshing. Just swinging it around. There was a token I was looking at the other day, which looked really good. E-Gold. I want to know what E-Gold's doing. I want to know what E-Gold is doing. This is a swing trader's paradise. And as soon as I click on this weekly, anybody new to the channel, you're about to see a swing trader's paradise. This is the most beautiful of swing trades you could find right now. It's absolutely stunning. Just got to take some off the table overnight. Got in at in a 167.60. Okay, all right. All right. Swing Trader's Paradise. Here we are. Look at that. The fact that you fell down, consolidated, you hit this level once. You got a bounce. You got a double top. You came down to the exact same trading range. And you're consolidating. Swing Trader's Paradise. You know what happens. You're most likely going up to 67.25. Most likely. I swear some of these things. So yeah, E gold. This one is in an accumulation range. It definitely is. Could it capitulate down? Sure. You swinging it. I'm accumulating it. I bought my first bag today, and I will be buying this until we leave this range. As soon as we break above 32.75, I am done accumulating. That's it. I'm done. And I will sell off half of my bag up here at 67.25. After that 67.25, things get buck wild. We would be looking at $131 as a next area of interest. Past that, you could then see 198 and of course 237. E gold is in your accumulation range right now. So yeah, I did buy a bag today. I plan on buying bags every single day. And we're just going to keep on accumulating and till I feel like my bags are filled. Because naturally I want to sell off about half of them, and right now half 154. This is look good. Yes, Cody, this one looks great. I don't know how long I have to hold it, but this one looks great. I too enjoy buying downtrending charts. Royce, do you not understand reaccumulation? I am really sorry you don't understand that. Because as soon as you broke this level, it was no longer downtrending. It was just down. And now you are reaccumulating. What? Very interesting. Don't look bad. How long have I been in the crypto market? What are the best trades you've hit? I've been in the market for about 6 years. I think some of the best trades I hit, it was with Solana last bull run. And AVAX last bull run. Those were some of the best ones I had, because I think Solana on one random day. I had a really good one with Shiba Inu too, and FTM. God, last bull run was great. I can't wait for those days to come back. But yeah, one of the days I ended up gaining. I think it was only like $10,000, but it was a $700 or an $800 trade, and it cleared in a day. like it was so fast. I was like, what the hell just happened? So actually I feel like it was FTM, because FTM had back-to-back days where it went up 50%. I think FTM did that, so I think it's FTM. Have I played Ninja Gaiden 2? I have, surprisingly. That's an old game, Rich. Surprised you're asking about that. But yeah, I do like this. I like it a lot. The fact that we came up and backtested it again, confirming support on the weekly time frame, love it. Love it. Only thing that would make it better is if on the daily you have hidden bullish divergence. Only thing that would make it better. You do not have that, which sucks. You just have bullish convergence. Stupid. But yeah, either way, stop loss would be down here below this wick at 2174. It gets below that, you want absolutely nothing to do with this token. So it's a very tight stop loss that you get to work with. Especially for spot trading, I'm good. I don't care. I will hold this thing till the end of the bull run if I have to. But we'll see what Bitcoin has in store for us in the coming days. We'll see. Let's see. FTM still disrespecting the charts. Are we still disrespecting them? Are you finding support? Is it actually going to find support here or not? Kind of wild. What is this delay? Good RR on this. Risk to reward. Oh, yeah. Infrax. What is that, runner? I'm playing it long right now. I never finished it on Master Ninja. Hardest ever in my opinion. I never played it on Master. I just played it for fun. I enjoyed slicing things up. Just saw chart looks good on TradingView in Frax. Is this a stock? Is that what you're talking about? No, it's not. Is it this thing? Wrapped ETH? Is this what you're talking about? Oh. Check weekly. I need a bag. Oh, shit. Getting a nice rounded bottom on this. That's craziness. You had this tiny little trading range back here, and you touched it once. Wow. Oh, FTM getting disrespected again. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin coming down. What's Big Time doing? Big Time looks like it's just trying to consolidate around. That's... wait a minute. Go back. Wait. Okay, so it's a pocket. We'll give it to it. It's a pocket. We'll give it to it. Little pocket right here because of these weekly candle closes. This looks good. You got a bullish engulfing on the weekly. Pretty solid. Nice round. Oof. This does look interesting. Big Time got shit on big time. It did, unfortunately. I don't know who out there had a vendetta against it, but whew, that's tough. On the daily. Finding resistance right now. Finding it right now. Oh boy. Trade institution. Hey, if you're not getting stopped out of your trades, you're just not trying hard enough. Let's be honest with ourselves. Anybody who's like, I'm 100% trader, never traded. Never traded. Oh, what? Another one on TradingView. Or AI? Is that what it is? Check that out. Oh, sweet. Consolidation pattern. Or Rhea. Runner. We'll check them all out. Rhea, like the movie? Is that what we're looking at? Rhea the movie? Okay. Or AI. Or AI chain. It's a chain. Okay. I'm pronouncing it for you. Oh! Aurea. Got it. Yeah. Yeah, I messed up on that pronunciation, that's for sure. You got a little bullish convergence there. Nice. How about SLP? Is that thing still pumping? I looked at it earlier. That thing was going up like crazy. What is this? We'll check out some SLP. We'll check it out. Do, 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 do. What happened there? It didn't test it. Why didn't you touch it? That's annoying. It's like, we're just going to stop short, bro. Just go on up. You think 8x easy? Possibly. Yeah, what was that? What is SLP? Something love potion? Spooky love potion or something? Yeah, big time. That's a prime example of a higher time frame taking over. So I mentioned the hidden bearish divergence that was happening in big time. Big time. It's just a prime example. It's now down 10%. That's just obnoxious. Those traders, they were out to liquidate some longs. That's what they were out to do. Is that what you talking about? Spell? Yeah, spell love potion. That's what it is. Yeah, that thing pumping. Pimping. Alright, maybe it's a wedge. Maybe it's a wedge. Even better one is PAAL. We'll check it out. That thing's pumping too. I always get confused with ones that are pumping while everything else in the market's going down. I get so confused by that. So this Ori, however the hell you say it, I'm guessing, just a full guess here, you're probably going to test resistance and then come all the way down here for a third touch. Just a thought, but I think you still got time to accumulate this. Yeah, plenty of time. Plenty of time, bro. Love having a stop loss. Saved a lot of money because stop loss. I would have been liquidated for sure. Dude, yes. Anybody out there trading with no stop loss, don't be a Caroline. Do not be Caroline. Caroline, oh, I don't even understand when I'd have a stop loss. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. First thing you do when entering a trade, put in a stop loss. Second thing, put in a take profit. Like, ugh. Always, always, always have a stop loss. Always. Your daily looking like you could see some downside here. You're finding a bit of resistance from these lows, these previous lows. So we're just going to mark that out real fast. I need to get to SLP real quick right after this one. So you can see you've bounced off its support once, twice, fell through. You hit it once, you're starting to get a lower high. So you're starting a brand new downtrend here. Very possible. Anyways, could see price trending straight down to the supply line before seeing another rally ensue. It's a possibility. I don't know for sure. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just saying what's likely. But in reality, I personally would be trading this based off of a fib retracement from this right here, and I'd be aiming for this 428.1. So it's close enough. 416. I'd be shorting it. That's what I would be doing because I don't like you testing former support as resistance. I really don't. So I'm expecting the resistance to hold tight and price to just number go down like it's been doing. Just my thought. Just the thought. Don't get mad at the messenger. Just out here reading a chart, okay? These are my feelings. Out here trading on emotions. I'm an 18-year-old new to crypto and want to know how you got to learn about it. When I first started, I bought Shiba Inu a year ago and profited 2K off of it, 500. Wait. Profited 2K off of 500. Nice. After that, I lost all to a fake coin. Yeah. Yeah, that happens. That happens. So the way I learned, I started watching a ton of YouTubers, kind of like what you're doing right now. You're looking at a YouTuber. Well, I guess technically I'm not a YouTuber. I'm some guy on the internet that doesn't get paid to do this. I'm doing this so that we will become a completely for-profit stream. Let that be known. All of you here, you're the OGs. But we have all been there. Yeah, we've all been there. We've all been rug pulled. Welcome to crypto. We got t-shirts. It's the golden arches. Yeah, it comes with an application to McDonald's. It's fantastic. But yeah, so I started watching Crypto Jeb, and he was explaining things in a way that I could understand. So I learned trading a lot from Crypto Jeb. And then Woo, you want to check out Woo token? Got you covered. We got to check out one before that. Two before that. We got to check out SLP. That's what I was looking for. But then I started watching Mitch Ray, Tom Crown, and I tried watching Frankie Candles. I just I wasn't that big of a fan. Yo, Runner, thank you so much for the a gifted sub on Twitch. You're absolutely amazing. Thank you. I appreciate you. Also, why aren't the alerts having any sound? That's crazy. You lost that 2K to learn what not to do. It's worth more than 2K, by the way. That's very true. I heard sound on your end. Oh, maybe I just have all the sound turned off on my end. Awesome, though. Thank you so much. I honestly, Runner, I appreciate that. The Twitch channel gets like no subs, so I do appreciate that. Thank you. Also, went to Chili Lime. Somebody who's a part of the community. Hell yeah, love it. But yeah, after I tried watching Frankie Candles, wasn't a big fan of that. I watch a lot of Cryptos R Us. I like to make sure I'm staying in tune with all of the news that's coming out, whether it be about the markets, world markets, or just about crypto. I like to stay in tune with all of it. So of course I do my daily dives into crypto, and I'm just like, I gotta know. Chili Lime in the house. Chili, thank you so much for coming in and saying thank you to Runner. He is an absolute legend and all-star. So yeah, that's mainly how I do a lot of my learning. I mean, and then, you scroll through Twitter for the echo chamber, and you get a lot of really good info out there about a lot of things going on in our banking system, the government. It's a lot to take in at first, but it's well worth your time to learn. And now, since it's my second bull run, I figure it's my job to help teach the new people now. So that's why I have the channel. But noted, I'm not strictly going to be only TA. When we get meme coin season, you're gonna know right away, because this channel is I'm once again, I'm for profit. I am not afraid to shake my titties all over the internet for $1. So if I start getting sponsored by any meme coins, or I just start promoting the hell out of meme coins, understand you probably don't want to invest in those, because either I hold a bag or I'm going to hold a bag. Am I going to dump it? Hell yes. I'm going to dump that shit faster than you can say, I bought it. So keep that in mind. For Aura, the MACD crossed up on the weekly. I'll send direct message. Nice. Love the honesty. I'm super honest. I don't like it when people are dishonest about what they plan on doing, especially when it comes to crypto. It's like, bro, we're here for the money. Yeah, the technology's cool. We're here for the money. Let's be real. Can I check gold? Sure. Shakila Malshawn. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I'm sorry. Rug pull got me Friday. Thanks for dropping a lot of info, bro. I truly respect your genuine feedback. No problem, man. No problem. We all have been new to the space. It's okay. It's okay. I'm guessing SLP, unless we start seeing Bitcoin go up in a big way, SLP could be getting tapped out on this nice little 15% rally that it's had. Could be getting a little tapped out. You can see how it's interacted with this level many times before it just came back down. But the fact that you broke out, you tried to stay here, you shot up, now this is a formal back test of the 2359 level. Who knows? Maybe Spell has the opportunity of jumping up to 5636. Maybe. We've got a good channel about the economy. Beginning of the show. Good people. Wait, what's the channel? What the hell is the channel? Hold on. Why can't I move this? Okay. Not sure what time frame you are on. Watch them 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Might want check them out. Piper Academy. That's the channel. All right, I'll check them out. Piper Academy. Hold on. I need a pen. Hold on. I'm writing this shit down. I'm being for real. I'm gonna watch this. I'm gonna watch this. Piper Academy. All right, it is written. What is this thing for? The economy. I'm in California. I'm Pacific Standard Time. So anytime I talk about time, it is Pacific Standard. My Storj trade's starting to look bad, guys. I'm starting to get worried again. It's not good. It's not good. Storj looking bad. It's looking bad. Shit. All right, SLP, we took a look at it. The 4 hour, probably looking a little tapped out. Yep, you're completely overbought. This is an area in which you'd look to take shorts. You do not, and I repeat, you do not have hidden bearish divergence yet. That's good. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour does have hidden bearish divergence. So this is where we could start seeing a little bit of a sell-off. Let's go down to your 15. 15, you are cooked, baby. You're cooked. Simple place to usually find a pullback would be a 50%er, where you'd be looking to get down to 2984. Let's see what happens on this trade. I'm going to leave this up here. We'll see. Alrighty. SLP's taken care of. PAAL, I think I need to look at. PAAL, and then we have... There was another one. I know there was another one. What's after PAAL? You guys got me onto a rant. I'm sorry. Woo. For Cody. Woo. I got you for woo. I didn't realize when you said woo before, I thought you were like cheering. I'm sorry. I didn't realize it was a formal request. My bad. How about Beam? We'll check out some Beam too. Real quick, we're going to check out and see how much hot water I'm in real fast. Lots of hot water, but that 15's resetting. I don't feel like I'm in that much hot water anymore. All right, we're good. PAAL. Yeah, I'm not even joking. I thought, Cody, you were just like saying, woo! Like, okay, all right. He's excited. Yeah, let's go. Runner. Have you never heard of... No, I've never heard of this thing. Woo! They haven't posted a video in 2 months. What? Who hasn't? Wait, are you talking about that economy show? They haven't posted in 2 months? Well, shit. How am I gonna get my info? That's not cool. It's not cool. Also, a great channel to watch. I'm not a particular amazing fan of the guy, but I do like his insight. Meet Kevin. When it comes to the stock market, I think he's got something. I like Meet Kevin. I do like him. When it comes to his information, him as a regular person, I think he's a little off, little weird, but it's fine. Piper Academy, unless you got the wrong one. Oh, gotcha. I guess SLP is going to keep the party rolling. Still trying to go up. That's wild to me. So this PAL thing. You're sitting in a pocket right now. You're sitting in an accumulation pocket. If you can break it, you're going up to a lot of threes. A lot of threes. Going up there. Break that 40 cents. Okay, alright, cool. Let's see if we can be breaking down right now. We can. We definitely can be breaking down. Stochastic's pointing straight down. You're testing this support once again. The possibilities there for downside. He a goof. Who's a goof? We got goofy people out here. We got the goofs. There's our demand line. But we are putting in these higher lows. Wait, did we disrespect it? We disrespected it, but we are currently respecting that one. So we're going to leave that. So we're going to see what happens with PAAL. The daily doesn't look great. It does not look great. Your 4-hour looking a little rough. Looking a little rough. We're going to see if it actually holds. You're not oversold yet. You did. You had your hidden bullish divergence. You got a nice bounce out of it, but it's a much lower high than previous high. And it looks like you're backtesting the 2264 formally as resistance. You got the wrong one. They had Nick Cypher, Crypto Face Brother last night. Gotcha. Meet Kevin. Yeah, meet Kevin. Looking at buying it on the weekly. I'm getting these weird feels. You could possibly buy it down here at 1485. I'm getting the weird feeling. Could be going down just a little bit more. It's literally because you up thrusted, you came back, bearish back test, second bearish back test, and now you're trending down. So I gotta feel like it's going down. I gotta feel like it's going down. Your 1 hour probably looks amazing. Yep, it does. Your 1 hour looks absolutely amazing. You don't have hidden bullish divergence. You do have selling pressure waning, but also you have all this buy pressure. You have hidden bearish divergence on your MACD for the, so you know what I'm talking about, here to here, down here to here. A smidge of hidden bearish divergence on the MACD is possible, and a bearish cross on your moving average, or your trending lines here, whatever these lines are called, whatever you want to call them. This thing could fall a little bit more. It's possible. I wouldn't put it past it, but if you do catch a bounce here, you're looking to break back above 22. So let's just wait and find out. After PALL, we got to look at, I'm just going to Woo. It was asked like a day ago, and I just didn't go to it because I thought he was cheering. I was like, I'm doing a good job. Okay, all right. Woo Network. The Woos. I kind of like Woo. I kind of like Woo. I do. I do. Yes, everyone, if you do not have an exchange, check out Weeks. It is popping up right now in chat. Check out the Weeks. Also, if you do make an account in there, you fund your account, things like that, it does actually help out the channel because we are affiliated with that particular exchange. And another one could be coming down the pipeline in the coming weeks. We'll see. We shall see. I hate all these levels. We got to check out Beam also. But Cody, this one's for you. Hopefully you're still here. Cody, this is for you, man. You're in a weird spot, Cody. You're in a weird spot, man. You have this pocket right here, which is, ew. God, Woo is annoying. Gross. You not only have that pocket, you do have this weird level right here that's posing as the biggest issue ever. I don't know why it's posing as such an issue, but it is. You hit it once, you try to get up there, you hit it again, you bust it through, and you're getting yanked back down by the hair. It's like, not today, sailor. It's like, okay, I didn't know I was sailing. We're out here on a skateboard, but sure, sailor. Why not? Anyways, so it does look like you're a bit range bound, but I don't like the range bound in the downtrend. I don't like that. Capitulation could happen here. Could happen. So what we're going to be really looking for is a back test of one of these three levels. We get that back test, we see something happening, see something develop, you know, we feel a little better about the market. This thing could be ready to go up. I do like that you came down here once down here, and then got your rallies, got your back test, you came down here again. So this is indicating whatever this wick low is, these are your lows. If you go below that, sell it, don't look at it, don't tell your friends about it, and you know what? You might want to bury it in a hole because it's not a good place to be if you get below that wick. That's a long way down though to worry about. So let's see what could be local support. Since you are finding such big resistance there, maybe, just maybe, you'll find big support here. So if you do trend back down to 1703, that is a possible entry option. Possible. It's not the best option because I think your best option would be down here at 1186, but you also have a trend line to work off of. So this trend line, it's just pointing straight up right here, just straight on up, showing you, hey, higher highs, higher lows. It's a nice uptrend. It just it's on a flimsy foundation, you know? It's flimsy. Just because of this. Because of this stupid little upthrust on the daily. Remember what we talked about on that other candle, on that other thing, that morning star reversal shit? That this candle right here, I hate it. This candle makes me forget about things for weeks. Oh no, I completely lost track of what that thing was. And then I'll look at it in December because I don't like this candle. This candle right here, death to me. I hate it. So find support here, find support on the supply line, find support at 1534. Somewhere around there, game on. Till then, no game. I mean, your stochastic needs a reset on the daily. Your relative strength sitting in the bullish control zone for some reason, but hey, things can happen, bro. Things can happen. We'll see. We're getting a lot of fluctuation in the market tonight. Holy crap. A lot of fluctuation in the market. This is crazy. I don't know what Asia's doing. It's like the bulls and bears are out there fighting it out. VAI USDT. Check that out. 4-hour low stochastic sitting in neutral territory. Still can fall. Still can fall. That neutral territory, it's a big deal. 1 hour going down. 1 hour says you are going down, brother. High stochastic, you are not oversold, going down. Too bad for Woo. I think Woo is going to fall. I think it's going to fall. All right, we saw PALL. We saw Woo. We are missing one before we get to this VAI. We are missing one. I'm going to find it. Gold. We got to check out gold. What is that? XAU USD? Yes, it is. Holy guacamole. Just up there, isn't it? Holy crap. Look at it. Gold's at all-time highs. I have no idea where this thing can go, honestly. Because this is a sign global markets are in the shitter. This right here. Looking at gold on the daily. Global markets trash can. Like, do you realize we broke, we back tested, and we just took off for gold? And the worst part is, it's like, where do we make the flagpole? I'll just make it from the shorter end right here, from the last pullback, just to see if we're overperforming here. Oh, would you look at that? We're almost at the measured move. Measured move 2,781. Gold is doing crazy things. Peter Schiff right now is dancing. Just like, yeah, gold, baby. Woo! I think it's a sign. They're printing. Of course. The M2 money supply is only going up. You have every country... literally every country right now that is just lowering interest rates and printing money. They know they messed up. They're just trying to make it seem like they didn't. They're full of crap and we know it. It's fine. It's fine. We're going to get the appreciation in assets. It's fine. Bitcoin being held back intentionally? Yes. Yes, we do know that. Because BlackRock has not gained enough. Ugh. And then we got retail investors like, yeah, let's sell our Bitcoin. For what? to buy a car. Ugh, you idiot. That's what altcoins are for. Ugh. Anyways, that's gold. We checked out gold. Sorry if I took so long that you're not here anymore. God, what was his name? Shakilla Malshawn. Sorry if you're not here anymore. Tried my best, bro. I tried. It'll run when they say it will. That's true. It will run when they say it will. Tough. What do I think on XRP? I think it's trash. I'm not a big fan of XRP, honestly. I'm not a big fan. My first year in crypto, I fell for the hype. I did. And I held a bag. After about a year and a half of me just holding that stable coin, I was like, there are better ways. I don't like XRP. You can't trade it. It's so stable. It's in appeals court now. Everything's bad. Everything's bad. VAI. Wow. Wow, you're definitely in an accumulation range for VAI. I think XRP is trash. I think we just became best friends. Right, it's just, it does nothing. It does absolutely nothing. Last bull run couldn't even hit its all-time highs. Trash. I can't see it any other way. It's like, oh, but it's partnered up with banks. Yeah. To send money where they're then going to sell it back into whatever currency it is instantly. It's stupid. I heard one of the first BTC miners sold a huge amount of BTC a few days ago. Really? That's a shame. We don't want that. But if those miners are selling, a miner capitulation, as soon as it's over, oh, the true bull run will start. And I'm here for it. I am here. What? Okay, VAI is sitting in kind of no man's land. We have this, it's not even real level. This is a real level. That's a real level. So we're sitting in no man's land for VAI. Once you get down to 5930, that's where we can buy. That down there in this range. You hit it once, you shot up, do it again. Do it again. Do it for me. Do it for the people. Get down there. On your daily, you have hidden bullish divergence. You do have it. You have your low here. You got a lower in price, higher relative strength. So that does mean the rally should be happening. Bitcoin is ruining the rally. It is ruining the rally. Positive though. Positive. You know, two negatives and a positive. That's what we're going off of. We do have this right here. So you can see we broke out, we back tested, we're trending sideways. We could come down for a second test. Shrump? What is Shrump? Never heard of it. We'll check it out. Alright, so you can see we were downtrending, we broke out, we back tested. I'm looking for that second back test. If we can get that second back test, okay. We're being held down right now by our 100 and our 50 simple moving averages on the daily. Your 4 hour, you had what? 2 candles of positive? You got enough room to fall further. So I do believe this is going to continue down. From a fib retracement level, we could be looking at something around, oh, yeah, getting to, all right, yeah, so aiming for that 5930. That is the target for me. If I were trading this, I'd be going short. I would be going short. That's 24% downside. Trump meme coin might break out towards election. Maybe. I like that. Then accumulate. Yes. The accumulation, I believe, will be down here in this range. Shrump. Let's see if we can find it. Super Trump. That's what it is. Super Trump. Did I miss something? No. We just brought up XRP. That doesn't matter. Hold on. I missed one. I'm sorry I missed one. My bad. No. What are my thoughts on XRP? That's what it is. Okay. Didn't miss it. Okay, we're good. Trump. How new is this? Wow, it's been around for a while. That's crazy. Can't believe it's been around. The thing about meme coins, it's like, it doesn't really matter if he wins the election or not. It's a meme, so it's gonna do whatever it does. The fact that you already had your run up, you had your lower high, this thing can consolidate for weeks until meme coin season comes back. So as for buying this thing now, pointless. Absolutely pointless. If it comes back down to this low here at 20199, you can consider it. You can be like, maybe. But as for actually like, this is my investment plan, hell no. No, we don't do that. Hell no. So yes, a breakout could happen. It definitely could. Looks like you tried twice so far, and you got pushed right back down. So wait it out, see what happens. I just personally don't think it's like a meme coin season yet. When that time comes, you will know. I can guarantee you will know, because you're going to turn on to YouTube and all you're going to see is meme coin ads everywhere. You're going to jump onto X, Twitter, whatever, and it's just going to be like, next 100x token, look at this. You're going to end up seeing like random TikToks. Oh my god, did you see this billboard of my meme coin bullshit dog farting on a cat? You're going to be like, what the heck is all this? We got our meme coin on Sphere in Vegas. You're going to see it everywhere. There will be signs. Figuratively and literally. They'll be everywhere. So yeah. I just don't think it's that season right now. I don't think it's that season. I think the economy is too bad. I think it's just not there. MAGA Trump coin was crazy. If you've seen that movement, I heard about it. I didn't even care to look because I didn't invest in it. So I was like, oh, cool. It did something. Like, not phased. Put in 100, make $1 million, sign me up. I mean, yeah, that's basically what happens. So, funny story about last bull run. I was watching the launch of Shiba Inu. I wanted to put in $300. This is why I hate the Ethereum network. I wanted to put in $300 in Shiba Inu. The gas fee for Ethereum was going to be $582 for that one transaction. And I was like, are we for real? I then tried 15 minutes later. It would jumped up to $1,200. I was like, I ain't doing that. There ain't no way in hell. I ain't doing that. Had I done it, I would have made somewhere around $10 to $12 million. And I was like, ugh. Dang, that's expensive. Yeah, crazy expensive. Made no sense. But yeah, either way, you live and you learn. Nobody knows how a meme coin's going to perform. Nobody knew that thing was going to go from fair launch to $27 billion in market cap. No one knew that. But everybody who got in there, they were not disappointed. I was like, all right, that's fair. I missed that one. Dang. And the only reason I know how much I could have made is because goddamn Crypto Misha, he put in 300, the same amount I wanted to, the same time I wanted to. And his damn ass, he's like, oh, look at this, I got 12 million. I'm like, I hate you. Crypto Misha, you're a dick. I was so mad. All right, we're getting into random just chat. Let's go ahead and get our final thoughts here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trading at negative 47.47. Oof. Sorry to hear about big time. Big time. Moment of silence for all the longs. Big time's down 11%. Rough. That is rough. All right. I will say though, if I was ever stopped out of, or any time I get stopped out of a trade, I'm like, you better keep going in that direction. It sucks when it just wicks down, then it goes where you thought it would. That stings a little bit more. Like it's this next level of sting that really sucks. All right, so getting rid of that trend line, I still see Bitcoin possibly coming down to the 65,850 level. You heard it here live. I said 65.85. I said it. I'm sticking to it. That's what my gut's telling me, and that's what the chart's telling me. You fell down. You're sideways consolidated. Looks like we're about to fall again. We're getting a death cross on the 1 hour. Let's go out to the 4 hour. Your 4 hour is just being held down against its will. Stochastic is flatlining right now, but relative strength, you are not oversold. That is the biggest thing to take away. You are not oversold. So the fact that you're not oversold on relative strength, downside can continue. And this is where longs get liquidated like crazy. Looking at the 15-minute is where you see the downside starting. High stochastic, zero price action. This thing's going down while we sleep, baby. Zeta is pumping. What is Zeta? What is that? I agree with the sting. Wick to stop out, then price goes target. I want to see it dump hard. We'll wait for support bounce, not chasing. Smart move. Zeta. So Zeta's pumping, huh? It's crazy. Yeah, let's take a look at this craziness. The wick gave you that false sense of hope right there, and just Zeta perp platform on Sol. Really? It's crazy. Zeta chain. Currently up 8.3%. Not too shabby. I'm guessing the Zeta token. Can't trade it on futures. That's my guess. Oh, looks like you're trying to find a bottom here. Nice. Next time you come down to these levels, let me know. That's where I want to be. Next time you get down there, that's where I want to be. You're in an accumulation range. That's cool. Oh, sorry. Zeta chain. Something else. What? Zeta chain is something else? Yeah, Zeta chain. There we go. Yeah, this is technically an accumulation range. You got your levels here that you really care about. You got this one that doesn't matter as much because it's so far away. So far away. But if you can confirm a bottom right here, so meaning you come down here, you accumulate, you pop up, come down one more time. Or even better, come all the way up here and then come back down, that will actually signify you bottomed, and that is a fantastic area to try and go long. Fantastic. In the shorter term, yeah, looks like you're just going to go up, test some resistance. Not bad, not bad. You do have this weird little form of resistance happening right here. Really weird spot to stop. Figured you'd at least get to the 819. Not sure why you stopped there. Not once. Tried to wick up to it, couldn't get there. You wicked to it, couldn't get further. It doesn't really make much sense that you stopped there, but here we are. Here we are. No, I was answering what it is. Oh. Zex is Zeta on Sol. Got it. Ethan, dang. You know, here I was thinking, I was like about to skedaddle on out of here. Getting a formal request. Let's go. ARB. We're going to keep the party rolling as long as you guys have requests. I take that back. We're gonna keep it going for like 15 minutes. I take that back. I realized what I said after I said it. I'm like, oh, hold on. Want to check out Rose after this? Got you. Got you. Arbitrum. Oh, cool. So normally I would put this right there. We found some support on it. Arb does look good. Once again, you're coming down here for the first time. That's cool. I want to see it rally, then hit it again. Hit it again. Confirm that bottom for me. Because you came down once, you shot up, you tried to come down again, you fell through it. You did not confirm a bottom. I want the confirmation. That's what I want. So if we could rally from here and get up to the 78.94, just bring it back down for me. Just bring it back down. That'd be great. You want to go a little lower, that's fine too. Someone pull up coin market cap. We are about to go through everything tonight. No, the hell we aren't. No, the hell we aren't. Alright, brother. Not doing that. Now, from this, we do have a downtrend to look at. That's an awful downtrend that we need to break out of. It starts here. We did break out of it. Okay. Got a high, higher high. Okay, we're doing things. We're doing things. All right, so you guys know what I'm talking about right here. So the reason why we're starting the trend here, because you had a sharp fall, a bounce, second bounce, and then you started downtrending again. So you started a new downtrend here. That's why I marked it there. Just letting you know. New downtrend started. Now we're trading sideways out of it. That's great. The problem is we could be in this range for a long time. I mean, like a long time. Probably not that long considering the time of year it is. Moonvember is coming. I am still in the belief next week is going to be a fantastic week for trading. Fantastic. But we're going to have to wait and see. So currently right now, the fact that you did have a high stochastic here, you pulled back, you then got a high stochastic here, you're pulling back again. That is your first lower high. That's not fantastic. It's a lot left to be desired right there. A lot left to be desired. So you're going to have to wait to either test this and or break out and back test this. Moon Deg, please, before you go. What is Moon Deg? I don't even know what that is. We'll check it out. That's fine. We got to check out Rose, and then we can check that one out, Cody. I got you. By the way, anybody who's new to the stream here, please, if you could do me a favor, join the Discord. Discord is a fantastic place to stay in touch with everybody. It's great to see the community growing. Also, if you're here on YouTube, please like and subscribe. That would be even better. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So then we can be a lot more for profit. But yeah, anyways, back to the TA. So 4 hours trying to do something for you, but you're in no man's land. So the fact that you're in no man's land, you want to be on a support or back testing a former resistance and or hitting a resistance and shorting it. Something. The fact that you're resetting so fast, that's a very good sign. If Bitcoin wasn't acting like such a little butthole, this thing probably would be shooting up right now. But it's acting like a butthole. So we got to wait for Bitcoin to stop being so moody, stop going through its teen years. I don't know what it needs. Now, your 1 hour is showing more downside as possible. You do have a brand new downtrend on a low time frame, which could be playing into this downtrend narrative. So, we're just going to have to wait and see. Currently, you are holding above what was once acting as resistance, could be acting as support soon. We're going to find out. But I don't know. I don't know. We shall see. That's what I see out of ARB. It's a let's wait and see what it does. Let's not jump into a random trade while it's sitting in the middle of no man's land where it could go up, could go down. Don't do that to yourself. It's a terrible place to be. So, now we're going to check out what is the next one, Rose. I do believe I have it in here. Rose rare it's not there. What? Rose. Oh, this is interesting. Alright, so Rose does look a lot more interesting. Do a giveaway stream for subs. Interesting thoughts. A giveaway stream for subs. You're saying that on YouTube. Why would I do that? That's not really for profit, is it? Rich. That's a lot more charity than profit. I don't know. I do plan on, after we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will have a giveaway. I just can't figure out what giveaway it's going to be. Whether it be crypto giveaway, or maybe I do like a PC or something. I don't know. I don't know. Do you work or full-time trader? I'm a personal trainer, but if I'm being honest, I make more money trading than I do working. Especially nowadays. Things have been really weird since the pandemic. They've been really weird. Trading has kind of just fallen off. It's been a little terrible. So, I'm very happy I did learn this a long time ago. Because these times, oh my god, I can only imagine how terrible it would be if I didn't know how to do this. Ugh, would have been so bad. All right, looking at Rose, you are literally for the second time hitting resistance. Rose set up greatly for downside. No, only subs can enter the giveaway and make it your title. Well, of course I will do that, but we got to get to 1,000 first. Gotta get to 1,000 first, man. Gotta do that. Okay, Rose looks weird. Rose looks really weird. Nice uptrend. You fell. You're making higher lows. Rose looks weird. It could literally break out or go back down to 5579. Rose looks really weird. Giveaways are outdated. Controversy works better. I don't like controversy. I don't like it. Because then you got people coming in here. Then I got to like talk a bunch of crap. I don't like that. I really don't like that. Because like, I grew up playing football. And I grew up playing football back when we actually were taught to use our helmet. Do you know how hard it is to be like half concussed, having somebody talk crap to you in your face about how they're gonna like kill you and eat your girlfriend and shit, and then all of a sudden you're like, not only do I gotta beat this guy's ass, but I gotta talk shit back. And then it gets weird when I got people coming in here trying to troll or something, and I'm like, you don't know what kind of crap talk I've been through. What? You're nothing. Oh my gosh. I used to look up what people's families did and then started talking crap. Like, what? You'll 1K sub easy. Just be consistent and patient. Ethan, appreciate you. Also, Ethan, didn't you have a request here? Did I already cover it? ARB, we covered it. Okay, cool. I'm doing it my best out here to be consistent. I plan on being live so I was talking to Runner about this. When he messaged me before I got on live today. I plan on being live every single day for this bull run. I plan on every day. So you guys are just going to see this face, this mug, as long as you stick around. And I already know viewership does go up the more often you're right, so that does help. Ethan Real. All right, this is a very weird scenario for Rose because you are broken out, but you're finding a lot of resistance at this 7-6 level. This is very odd to me because stochastic's pointing down, your neutral territory. This thing could like slow trend down a little bit. Maybe it even gets as low as back here at 6452. Why did I choose that number? Because you found resistance at it before. So the fact that you found resistance at this before, here, found support here, it would make a lot of sense to come down, touch it a second time, confirm those lows, and then upside, I mean, you have a lot of upside. If that happens. If that happens. So Rose is a very weird one. I would wait for either a break or a back test of something, but you could see Rose, if it holds this level, at 6452 going up 66%. Wow. That's really cool. What did I miss? He wants a high probability of winning. Once we are flooded with more subscribers, it dilutes our win chances. That's true. Now, I could just do the worst controversial thing ever. Highest tipper wins the giveaway. Then all of a sudden you guys just get into a bidding war. I could do that. As long as the thing is really good, it's funny because I saw look up it's like you can get people to get into a bidding war over anything. So you can say, like, as long as you find two people, I have $5. I will give this $5 to the highest bidder. You'll have the first person like, what do you mean? I'll give you $1 for it. It's like, all right, you can have it for $1. The second person will look at it. I'll give you $1.50. And then it's funny because they start bidding against each other. I saw that. I think it was a YouTuber or a TikToker, but they ended up selling their $5 for $10. And I was like, you mean to tell me people are that competitive? So then all of a sudden the person who won, they had to give a $10 bill to receive a $5 bill. And it's this weird mental thing that happens where you're like, I just wanted to win. Like, fart in a jar. There's some kid on TikTok honestly selling air on TikTok shop. I kid you not. He has a TikTok shop selling air. I lost all hope. I was like, we live in the Lorax movie? That's what we do. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, this double test here, that looks extremely toppy to me. I don't really care what the stochastic's doing. Plenty of downside. So yeah, Rose, if I was trading Rose, and I'm not, but if I was trading Rose, I'm looking for that 10% downside target. That double top, not fun. I don't like double tops. I had a buddy who used to sell karma on eBay, made a few bucks. That's crazy. Karma? I'm going to send some good karma your way, brother. Oh my god. Ugh. That's terrible. Do you have a Cash App? No, I do not, runner. I may try to grab a bag. What? Hold on. What? I do not have a Cash App. I have a PayPal account, which, yeah. Bag of Rose. You can buy Rose on Cash App? That's crazy. But yeah, I would be looking for this double bottom situation on the breakout. If you can slow trend down here, which noted, Rose has been known to do nonsense like that, that would be cool. But yeah, I see 10% downside for Rose. Of course, we're probably going to visit this tomorrow, and it's going to be like, we're up 50%. I'll be like, never saw it coming. Is that a shit coin? Give me 10. Rose is not. Rose is actually a legitimate project. I forgot what they do, but they are a legitimate project. Yeah, I got some karma for sale. How much you want? That's hilarious. Used to sell spoons on Etsy for $8 a piece at my age of 16. You made 1K in a month. That's dumbest stuff to sell, but it worked. Nice. 50 to 80 cents plus in bull. Oh yeah, Rose will go up plenty. I'm just looking at it right now. So yeah, you are definitely in your accumulation range, especially if you look at it on the daily. You're in the accumulation range. Anything below 7739, you're sitting pretty. This is accumulation area. Everything down here. You just want better entries because you're staring at charts. So you might as well get the best entry possible. Don't see why you'd sell yourself short. Moon Deg after this one, please. Yes, we will check out Moon Deg. We've been on Rose for a hot minute. So we will check out Moon Deg. Never heard of it. Moon Deg. Moo Deg. It's just Moo. Okay. Oh, this thing's so new. What do you want me to do with this, Cody? What? I can't even go to the weekly. What? You're looking to test 5215. Like, that's what you're looking for. You want to see Cass, Ethan, ASTR, USDT? Okay. The baby hippo. What's fibs on Moo? What are the fibs on Moo? I don't know. My fib retracements, they don't look like everyone else's. For the 786, just looking for a good buy spot. Yeah, your spot's going to be down here. So anywhere in this tiny little trading range, that's where you're looking to enter, but I would not throw the whole bag at it. I would throw a small amount because you're looking to hit it, bounce, and then hit it again. Once you hit it for the second time, that's confirming a bottom. That's where you can start throwing the bag at it. But right here, you can throw a little bit in, dip your toes in, hope for the best. Maybe put aside a moon bag or something. But yeah, Moo Dang, it just, ugh. You're sitting at your 1.7 right now. Sitting at the 1.7. So this is like your lowest form if you were trading this, and you'd need a stop loss all the way down here, which would be below your entry price, or your coming in of existence price. So it's an interesting little spot, but that's your fib level, the 1.7. $33 million-ish cap. How have you guys heard about this token? I've never heard about it. I don't know what it is. Anyways, we need to look at... We're going to move on from this. We have CAS, ASTR. Alright, these are going to be the last two. CAS and ASTR. Who want to throw virtual punches in the chat? I pick Rich? What? Oh, goodness. Shit. What was that ticker again? ASTR. Oh, this is interesting. Want it on the weekly, though. There. Got a pocket. Okay. Looks like you're at the bottom of a range. You're actually capable of putting in a really tight stop loss, which is nice. Daily time frame. I don't like the downtrending, and you're just hugged up against it. If you break 574, if you break it, 409 could happen. Could happen in a chart near you. This is your current downtrend you're working with. So you could just trade sideways too, all the way to this. You could trade sideways all the way to the end of the year, December 31st. You could literally just go sideways. Everything would reset and you'd be good to go. But I don't like it when it's like you come down, you get a nice little spike, and then this is your... It's not a good look. It's not a good look, especially when you pull the fib on it. So as you pull that fib, you're like, did we hit the 618? We hit it once, we hit it twice. Marked down. Looking for 516. Looking for that 516. Low to high, looking for a buy. That's funny. So, either way, I would be looking for about 12 to 30% downside. If you catch a bounce, though, your upside potential is massive. If you catch a bounce instead, 73% upside should actually happen pretty fast because everybody's going to be going short. So a quick reversal, yeah, you get the nice short squeezes. That thing flies. So it looks interesting. It just looks like it's going to consolidate more, or it's going to drop that little 12%. 12? Yeah, 12%. I'm inclined to say the 12% is going to happen because that's the way I like to trade. Let's go out to the 4 hour. 4 hours looking like the rest of the market. It's like, hey, we should rally. If Bitcoin doesn't do anything, kind of toast. Kind of toast. But it is interesting. You have a high, higher high, same high. Double top. A double top right here at your 200 simple moving average and selling off. I think you just caught the edge. Take it down. Take it down there, sailor. Oh. So yeah, either way, I'd be looking for a little bit more downside before jumping on in there. Just be patient. Be patient. But the best thing you can find is a breakout and a back test. Of course. Best would be that. Let's check out Caspa for Ethan. Cass. One more time for the one time. I think somebody was in along with this earlier. I mentioned we were at resistance. The resistance held. The resistance held. La resistance has held. Your 4 hour has nothing but downside to be able to fall. So you could see this thing testing that supply line again, which would be nice. It would still be a higher low, but it's a possible 7% downside. 4 hour is saying it could happen. Your lower time frames probably are arguing with me, but that 4 hour, it's saying it could happen. Let's get rid of this real quick. Your 1 hour is trying to catch a bounce, but not oversold yet. Not oversold. Your 15 minute, you are trying your darndest to get some hidden bullish divergence. Trying your darndest. So even if you do see a bounce, I'd be looking for this range right here. So if you're not already in a trade, maybe you get up here and then you could roll over again. So possibilities there. I'm just looking at the higher time frames. Higher time frames are not looking great for the most coins. They're just not looking great. So disappointing, I know. Nobody likes to hear that things could go down. I mean, oh god, even your daily. So daily, you had this great bullish engulfing candle. We're probably not going to have a bearish engulfing, so maybe this takes a few days to play out. But that's a high stochastic. You're in neutral territory, well, bearish control zone, close to the neutral territory. But you know, downside looks like it's upon you. But it would be confirming a low, confirming that supply line is support, and that's important. That's very important. So don't get discouraged. Do not get discouraged. Just a little hard to make an argument to go long at the moment, especially on the daily when you're getting a death cross. That death cross right there, that's not really a good thing. So a little bit of downside could happen. We could even see it wick down to anywhere in these two levels. Could see that. It's a possibility. We might wake up tomorrow and be like, the devastation, oh my god. But I don't think it's going to be long lived. It's only dangerous for traders. Any long term holders, you're fine. Chill out. Take a pill, relax. You're going to enjoy next month. It's fine. Oh, what was that? I lost track. My bad. Time to focus on crypto. No problem. No problem. All right, everybody. I'm heading out. I'm getting out of here. My time is over. Also, SLP, we called it. Going down, baby. Finding that resistance. SLP, pump over. Already down 12, 13% from his highs. Absolutely crazy. The falling is in. The falling is in. Things are popping up like whack-a-mole. It's crazy. All right, y'all. Take it easy. I'm getting on out of here. If you're not a part of Discord, jump in Discord. Get in there. It's a great place to be. Hopefully I see you there. And, yeah. Take care, y'all. Take care, y'all. Oh, sleep well. Don't lose any sleep over the charts. Everything will be fine. Keep stop losses tight. Deuces. Catch you later. Nah, Rich, you the man. Anytime, everybody. Anytime. You guys have a good night. Sleep well. Be ready to make some gains tomorrow. Be ready.